For years, companies have prioritised customer experience as the primary driver of business success. But in recent times, the conversation has shifted to employee experience. At Core, we believe in investing in your people first. Together with Microsoft's new employee experience platform Viva, we're doing just that. To put you on the path to success, our interactive Viva workshop covers culture and communications, productivity and well-being, knowledge and expertise, and skilling and growth. Designed for business, IT, and HR leaders, our workshop can help you efficiently realise opportunities in your organisation with a prioritised list of business scenarios, providing a roadmap outlining potential workstreams and dependencies, and help you create an adoption framework for your business. Want to get started? Email us today or fill out a form online and find out if you're eligible for a complimentary workshop.